Hello, beautiful people. It's me again, Lovely Janice TV, your sister. It's just a quick video, a message to the Nigerian leaders, the evil leaders that are ruling Nigeria, and a short message to my fellow Nigerian youth. So, please, guys, this is the time that our Nigerian people, they need us the most. Let's join our hands together to make sure this protest gets to 30 days. If not, the world, they are not going to intervene. They are not going to say anything about this, about the issue going on in Nigeria. So let's join our hands together to make it a 30 days protest. Let's not back up now. Let's not give up now. We are one Nigerian. Be whether you are from Edo State, you are from Lagos State, you are from Imo State, we are all one Nigeria, we are one family. God bless you all. One love from Lovely Janice TV. Drop your comment on the comment section. God bless. Hello everyone, good everyone, wherever you're hearing me from. Good morning to you all, my fellow Nigerians. It's just a quick message to our loved ones back home. First of all, I want to say rest in peace to those that lost their lives. For every one of you who turns up for the protest, God bless you all. Indeed, we are heroes. And a short one to our Nigerian celebrities. Please, we are begging you, because we are not in Nigeria, but we are doing the little that we know we can to support this peaceful protest going on. Please, my Nigerian celebrities, right now we are looking up to you people. This is not the time for you to back up now. Please, you have done your best. You are still doing your best, and say kudos to you all. Please, let's not let what these wicked Nigerian leaders, they are trying to make sure that this protest will not continue. But please, let's try our best to make this protest 30 days. If not, the EU cannot do anything about it. No country can say anything about this except the protest complete 30 days. So please, let's continue this peaceful protest. Let's continue this peaceful protest. Let's not just start giving up, because I see a lot of people on Instagram and Facebook. They try to joke with this issue going on in Nigeria. It's not nice. What affects our people back home, it affects us here, and what affects us here, it affects you there. So trying to joke with this kind of issue, for me, it's not a good idea. It's not a good idea. So please, let's join hands together as we continue this peaceful protest. Please, my wonderful Nigerian celebrities, you guys are really, I was really surprised that, wow, Nigerian celebrities, I never knew that they love the I don't really know what to say, but you guys did a great job. So please, don't give up now. Don't give up, because the youth are looking up to you guys. The youth, they are looking up to you guys. So let's not back off now. Let's not back off now. And as for those of you joking with this issue, you have to stop it. It's not good. It's not mature. It's not mature at all. It's not mature. And as for those that are going to, those hoodlums busting on people's shop, taking things that does not belong to you, please, this fight is for everybody. You people should stop it. Don't be used by any politician. Don't be used by any leader. Please, this fight that the Nigerians are fighting is for everybody. It's for everybody. How can you sell your birthright? For how much? You people should stop breaking on people's shop. It is their hard-earned money. Please, you people should stop it. Put an end to it. Those hoodlums. If you guys are going to those our wicked Nigerian leaders, their houses, their shop, it's no problem. Destroy as many as you can, but not for the Nigerian citizens who have suffered to achieve what they have today. You went there, burst into their shops, pack all their belongings. It's not nice. And they are fighting for you. Please, my fellow Nigerians, let's stop this. Don't give any politician the chance to use you. Please. God bless Nigeria. God bless Nigerian youth. This fight that we have all started, we are going to get victory very soon. We are going to get victory very soon. Please, my Nigerian celebrities, God bless you all. Please, you people should not back out now. Don't back out now. We all are looking up to you guys. Yul Edochie, AY, Tiwa Savage, Maleke. I see everybody. You guys are fighting for everybody. God bless you all. Please, let's not stop this protest. We have to complete it for 30 days. If we really want the world to hear us, if we really want the world to do something for us, if we really want the world to say something, to come in, let's make it a 30 days protest. Please, a peaceful one at that. Please. I beg you all. Even here that we are still going on protest. We are still protesting, and we are not going to give up. We are not going to stop, because the fight is for everybody. The fight is for everybody. Let's not give up now. Let's not use our hand to spoil what we have started. Please, my fellow Nigerian youth, we are all one Nigerian, whether Igbo, Yoruba, Edo, Hauchi, whatever, we are all one Nigerian. Please, please. And as for you leaders, you evil leaders, how can you guys be this heartless? During the COVID-19, people were dying, suffering. You have the conscience to hide the COVID-19 palliative food. You guys are really, really wicked. Even if you die today, they are not going to bury you and your cars and your house together. No. That is what the Bible says. Vanity upon vanity is all vanity. When you die, nothing is going with you. You guys are so wicked. What have we Nigerians done to you people? Why this suffering? Why are you guys so heartless? You flew your children to abroad and you are busy suffering other people's children. God will judge you all. God will judge you all. And your children will suffer for it. Your children will definitely suffer for it. Your children will definitely suffer for it. I was even thinking that my own state, Edo State governor, is the best, not knowing that he himself is even among these wicked leaders that have the conscience to hide food. During your election, at least you should have brought out this food and share for people. No, you didn't do that. You allowed people, your own people, to starve, to vote for you with empty stomach. And you call yourself a governor? Obaseki, you are heartless. Even if they ask you not to share this food, you have to go against the rules. Nobody's going to blame you. Rather, will support you that what you did is good. But no, you insisted joining those evil leaders to starve Nigerians. The blood of the innocent will judge you all. 16th October 2020 is a day that we'll never forget in Edo State. 2020 is a year that we'll never forget. 20th, 10th, 2020 is a day we'll never forget at Lekki Tollgate. God will judge you all. It's not only those two places, so almost all Nigerians, people lost their lives. The blood of the innocent will judge you all. If what you people are doing to us, if it's good, it's okay. But if not, God will judge you all. Change now. Resign now. We don't have president in Nigeria. You all knew about it and you are hiding it. Oh, what a country. What a country. How can you... Oh, God. And as for you hoodlums, going to your own fellow brothers and sisters' shop, busting into their shop, taking things that does not belong to you. Is it good? Don't be carried away by this little change these politicians are giving to you people just to destroy your fellow Nigerian. What they have suffered for, labored for. This fight that is going on now is for all of us. It's for all of us. Okay. You go to your brother's shop, your sister's shop, you break into the shop, take their belongings. What will you be doing with it? What will you be doing with it? This fight that is going on now is for everybody. Be you Edo, Yoruba, I don't care to know. It's for everybody. We are all one Nigeria. These same politicians that are busy using you people, their children are in overseas. You cannot see any politician's child who come out and come and vote. No. But they are busy using you, and you are busy allowing them to use you. So please, let's put an end to this hoodlum breaking on people's shop. Please, my fellow Nigerians, stop it. Nigerian leaders, you guys are heartless. You are wicked, and your children will suffer for it. Posterity will catch up with you all. How can you people hide? You all keep hiding that President Buhari is alive. The man has died since 2017. And you people knew about it. And you kept it under the carpet. God will judge you all. The blood of the innocent will judge you all. And you, imposter, sitting in that seat in Aso Rock, claiming to be President Muhammadu Buhari, God will expose you very soon. Karma will catch up with you very soon. You better resign now. Now. Before it's too late. We have suffered a lot. We have suffered a lot. Resign now. Resign now. Resign now. Even you, Vice President, I don't even know your name. What's your name, Seth? Call yourself a pastor. Pastor. Man of God, though. You knew you couldn't speak out. God will judge you all. God will judge you all. Governor of Lagos State, you came out and you were saying blah blah blah. When you know that you were the same person that ordered those bastards to go and remove the camera, and you came out and denied it. You see the blood of those innocent people that lost their life in that Lekki toll gate. You and your family, you will know no peace. Tinubu, all the governors of Nigeria, all of them, whether you are a senator, you are a commissioner, as long as you are a leader in that country, you refuse to come out and say the truth. Instead, you people keep lying. God will judge you all. The blood of your entire family will be used as sacrifice in Nigeria. Even my own governor, Governor Obaseki, he didn't do well at all. Your people voted for you with empty stomach. Obaseki, you are heartless. What is food? And as for those of you coming out to condemn the people that are doing a live video that what Obaseki did is wrong, you came out to attack those people. God will judge you all because you all are evil. Let's be truthful to ourselves. You all are evil for supporting evil. It shall never be well with you all. For supporting evil. People came out to vote with empty stomach and you expect them not to cry out. Are you normal? Are you okay? Well, that one is for another day. Please, my fellow Nigerians, let's not give up on this fight. Please. Let's try and make this protest a 30 days protest. If not, they will look at us that we are not serious. So please, let's not give up. God bless you all. God bless you all. One love Nigeria. One love Nigeria.